Choosing a rollator for someone you love isn't just about wheels and a seat, it's about giving them independence with dignity and giving you peace of mind when you're not right by their side. In this video, I'll show you foldable walkers that stay stable on uneven sidewalks, are comfortable enough for real breaks, and fold quickly into a trunk, so doctor visits, park strolls, and family outings feel easy again. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Drive Medical 57BL. If you want a compact, confidence-boosting rollator for everyday errands, this steel-framed model is a steady partner. The footprint is smaller than many competitors, so weaving through store aisles or tight hallways feels less stressful, yet the frame still feels solid underhand. On sidewalks and indoor floors, 4 7.5-inch casters roll smoothly without catching on small cracks. Squeeze the handbrake to slow on ramps, or push the levers down to lock the wheels when you sit. Simple, reliable, and reassuring on sloped driveways. Comfort is customizable. An easy turn lever lets you set the handles between 31 and 35 inches so your posture stays upright. The padded seat and a removable hinged backrest give you a safe, quick rest, and the under-seat pouch keeps keys, a phone, and a water bottle within reach. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Elenker All-Terrain. Love parks, markets, and uneven paths? Elenker's big 10-inch solid polyurethane tires are the star here. They are flat-free, shock-absorbing, and grippy, so grass, gravel, and sidewalk gaps become a non-issue. You get outdoor freedom without worrying about punctures. The seat and wide backrest are generously padded, which matters when you truly plan to sit for a whole concert set or during a long appointment line. Sit down, lock the brakes, and you will feel supported rather than perching on a hard board. Fit is easy for many bodies. Both handlebar height and seat height adjust, covering users roughly 4 feet 7 inches to 6 feet 3 inches. That range helps you keep elbows relaxed and shoulders down so hands and wrists do not tire early. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Drive Medical Nitro Elite. If you want premium feel in an ultralight package, the Nitro Elite is a standout. The carbon fiber frame looks sleek and weighs about 14.5 pounds, so lifting it into a trunk or up a porch step feels noticeably easier than with typical steel models. Large 10-inch front wheels glide over rougher sidewalks and door thresholds. Indoors, that same setup helps it pivot around furniture smoothly. The whole rollator feels nimble rather than clunky, which encourages longer outings and less fuss at every turn. Adjustability is quick and tool-free. Push-button handle height keeps your stance natural, and the supportive backrest can be raised or lowered with a thumb screw so it meets your back rather than poking at your shoulder blades. When you need a break, the seat is ready and secure. Folding is one-hand simple. A cross-brace design allows a side-to-side fold that stays stable, and an underseat lock clips it closed for carrying. Because it is compact and light, it is the rare rollator you will happily bring to brunch, a museum, or a weekend trip. Comfort without compromise. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Vocic. Vocic aims for all-day comfort and easy transport, and it shows. The aluminum alloy frame keeps weight to about 19.4 pounds while supporting up to approximately 330 pounds. Plenty for users who want a sturdy yet manageable walker. The bionic seat is the secret sauce. Shaped to relieve hip pressure and padded to about 1.6 inches, it feels more like a chair than a perch. A widened, breathable backrest supports your upper body better than thin tube backrests, so sitting for longer chats is genuinely comfortable. Outdoors, 8-inch puncture-proof wheels with a textured tread give confident grip on wet tile and uneven paths. The front casters rotate 360 degrees, making tight turns in kitchens, elevators, and store aisles feel effortless. It is equally at home in parks and supermarkets. Safety is thoughtful and simple to use. A 3-mode brake, free, decelerate, and stop lets you control speed on slopes and lock fully for sitting. Reflective strips on the front wheels and storage bag improve evening visibility. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Hugo Elite. For a classic rollator that balances comfort, safety, and storage, the Hugo Elite delivers. The lightweight frame is easy to manage, and the large underseat basket offers private, secure stowage for a purse, medication, or a small lunch. 8-inch casters make a real difference outside. They smooth out sidewalk cracks and help with curb cuts, while the built-in brake cable design keeps clutter down and adds safety. Ergonomic grips reduce hand fatigue, which is helpful on longer strolls. Dialing in fit is quick. Handle height adjusts so you can keep a neutral posture. That means less shoulder and lower back strain. When it is time to rest, the padded backrest and seat provide a supportive spot to regroup before you continue. Setup and transport are painless. Tool-free assembly gets you rolling faster. And the fold shrinks it to fit most car trunks without a wrestling match. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Drive Medical Aluminum. This model hits a sweet spot for many users. Sturdy, yet only about 15.6 pounds, with a clean look and thoughtful details. The aluminum frame is durable for everyday use and rated up to 300 pounds, so it feels secure without being heavy. 6-inch wheels with soft grip tires work well indoors and on sidewalks. The brakes are intuitive. Squeeze to slow, push down to lock for sitting, and the removable hinged backrest folds up or down depending on how you like to store or transport it. Comfort is adjustable on the fly. An easy turn lever raises or lowers the ergonomic handles to match your height, encouraging an upright stride that reduces wrist and neck tension. The padded seat is ready whenever you want a breather, and the zip pouch keeps valuables close. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Flyjingjoy. Flyjingjoy is a great option because it combines outdoor versatility, real seating comfort, and quick folding in a user-friendly package. The lightweight aluminum frame weighs about 17.67 pounds, yet supports up to 300 pounds, striking a rare balance of easy lifting and sturdy feel. 8-inch airless tires are puncture-proof and shock-absorbing, so brick paths, boardwalk seams, and parking lot gravel feel smoother. Textured treads add slip resistance, while 360-degree front wheels make maneuvering in tight spaces feel natural and stress-free. Fit and comfort are highly customizable. Handles adjust from roughly 32.5 to 40 inches, and seat height moves from about 20 to 22.8 inches. The seat itself is wide, waterproof, and 1.6 inches thick, with a breathable, widened backrest that makes longer sits pleasant rather than fidgety. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best foldable rollator walkers with seat you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.